Today I will show you how to make a balloon arch with no stand. But first, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. This is the electric balloon pump that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It is an electric balloon pump, so it does need to be plugged up, but it does have two parts on it where you can get two balloons on it at one time. So that's the part that I really like. Here is the box that it came in. It's $19.99 at Hobby Lobby. It's an electric balloon pump. And again, like I said, you can get two balloons on at one time, so go grab you one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. This is a piece of cardboard that I cut out into a circle. It's 24 centimeters. The reason why I cut this out is because it will allow me to measure my balloons so I can make sure all of my balloons are the same size. So what I am doing is taping the cardboard on the side of the desk. So I placed two balloons on the electric balloon pump, and I keep repeating this process until all of the balloons are done. What I'm doing here is making sure the balloons fit inside the circle. Now I am tying the balloons together, and then once I do all this, I'll make a quad, which is 4 balloons. Here is a close-up of the balloons that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They are $1.59 each, and there are 25 in the pack. Here is the green pack, 25 balloons for $1.59. So now you make your quads, which is 4 balloons. And so you get 4 balloons of the same color. And then you make a quad, you just tie them together. Here's a look at the circle that I cut. So there's a look. Make sure you have your curly ribbon. And that's what I purchased from Hobby Lobby also. Here's another look at the balloons for $1.59, 25 balloons per pack. The point of the curly ribbon is so that I don't have to use a stand. And here's a look at the green ones. So what I am doing here is wrapping my first 2 quads together by wrapping the ribbon around both of them to attach both of them. When you are placing your quads, which are your 4 balloons, make sure they are as flat as possible so you can go ahead and attach that quad to the quad that's below by wrapping the curly ribbon around both. When you are stacking your quads, make sure your colors are diagonal. Make sure they are lined up. Like pink is lined up with pink and green is lined up with green. And make sure it has that diagonal look. As you can see, this balloon arch, I had to pull my hair up. Now, you better charge accordingly for these balloon arches. A balloon column is much easier because you're just stacking about 7 quads. And then placing like your top balloon on top. So, but this is an arch. The customer requested this about 5 months ago and I had forgot. So it was like a big rush. But you guys better charge accordingly because these arches can take a bit of time. You know, you have to blow your balloons up, you have to tie them, then you put two together, and then eventually you make a quad, and then you start stacking your quads using the curly ribbon. Now you can use a stand, but I just don't have the patience for a stand. I'm using curly ribbon. So I am just wrapping my quad around. I'm using the quad underneath to make sure that the quad on top is tightened, and you just wrap it with your curly ribbon. So pretty much I have 25 quads, 10 quads on the left, 10 on the right, and 5 up top. Make sure you put your balloon weights at the bottom so it will keep your arch in place. You can make your arch as big as you want. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.